Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. Let's face it, none of our feet are perfect, and especially mine, they get so dry and gross looking. I found these Put Your Feet Up essential foot masks, and they have helped my feet so much. After just using one foot mask, my feet were visibly better.
They're so easy to put on. You just put them on like you're putting on socks, and they have sticky tabs to hold them in place around your ankles so they don't fall off. And when you take them off, you just rub in the rest of the moisturizer, and it doesn't leave your feet feeling greasy at all, just nice and fresh. I even walked around my kitchen and made dinner while wearing them.
I really like that it comes in a multi-pack because for those of us with the extra dry feet, it's going to take a couple uses to get them back to the baby soft way you want them. I love how easy these foot masks are to use and that I can also walk around while wearing them. And that's my point of view.